Here we are, December 26, 2012, and this snow is deep. This is actually called a blizzard. Blizzard of 2012. Losing a couple satellites. Picks up 3 at a time. We're losing a couple. Haven't been out here yet. Let's go see. Yeah, that's why we're losing a couple. Wow. It's untouched. It just makes it look like that's how much snow right now. That's a good... Get this off here. There we go. Oh, snow though. It's up to my, almost up to my knees. How the roads are here. Wow, what is this? It's like we're just blew on it all night or something. It just looks weird the way it's shaved off there in layers. I guess it's from the wind. It's actual accumulation on the side of it. That's what that is. Wow. Well, anyhow, wow. Oh, we got people driving through here. Probably aren't having too much issues. You're usually going to have a lot of issues whenever. For one, it's unpacked. It's unpacked. It's fucking packed. It's whatever. Slippery. And it ain't over. There's a blizzard. Look how much snow's on the roof. Check out those layers. Right there in that corner. Wow. See the gutters. Yeah, I guess it for... Let's knock some of this off this van, just to see. How deep the snow is on it.